Hey guys, how you doing? This is Monday, June the 4th. Just giving you some updates of what's happening. As you know, the Guatemala volcano erupted yesterday. Right now, the death toll is up to 62, and there was several thousands of people that were evacuated from there. It says that from the sky, it was about 25 miles west of Guatemala city, so in radius as far as the cloud. This is unusual lava flow as opposed to concrete and mud, and so there's a lot of people that are buried from this lava that eruption that happened. Meanwhile, in Hawaii, there's another new lava that's opened up, and there was a 5.5 earthquake. They were saying 5.5, 5.8 earthquake that happened, and the earthquake brought a spew of ash up to 8,000 feet. So you've got that. So there's two.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.